Hi, nu ska vi open up this package, and it is containing some carbon screws. I think it is M5. The screws are handmade and are coming from Schmolke in Germany, I think. They also produce lightweight bikes. They are manufacturing handlebars, seat post, wheels, different cool stuff that you can buy, and it's very, very, very light. Alright, here are a brochure and also okay. Okay, I had ordered a little bit more than just 2 screws, but oh, they are so light. It feels like plastic, but it isn't. It's made of carbon fiber. So light. On the web page it said that one screw weighs around approximately 0.7 grams, and this tire is minimum weight is 1 gram, so this should not show any weight at all. Nope. And if I put 2 on, it should said 1 gram. Okay. They're quite light. 0.7 grams for 1 screw. So there you have it, folks. Carbon screws made by Schmolke, and it fits the bottle cage, maybe some steams, also the hydraulic brakes mount, etc. But as I said earlier, I had ordered a little bit more than just 2 bolts, so now I have to check it out what's happened with the others.